In this tutorial, we will do simple recipe food costing using the Fillet app on the iPhone, iPod, and iPad. Fillet is also available on the web and on Android. We will be using the first two tabs in this tutorial, Recipes and Prices. Our example recipe is apple pie with 2 ingredients, apples and flour. Sometimes more than one vendor sell the same ingredient at different prices. Fillet lets us enter multiple vendors and prices for each ingredient in the Prices tab. To start, tap on the Prices tab. Before we can start entering prices, we need to enter the name of at least one vendor. To do so, tap on the Add button in the top right corner. In this new screen, we can enter a name for our new vendor. Let's call her Jane. Now we can start entering prices for ingredients that are sold to us by Jane. Tap on the Add Product button. Then tap on the Create Ingredient button. Enter the name for our new ingredient, apples, and then press Done. Now Fillet knows that Jane sells apples, but we still haven't entered the price. To enter the price, tap on apples. In this new screen, we can tell Fillet that Jane sells us apples at this price for this amount. Let's say that we buy apples from Jane for $3 for 2 pounds. If we want to use another unit of measurement instead of pounds, then we can tap on the pounds button. In this new window, select the unit of measurement that we want to use. Let's say kilograms. Check the price. Tap Done. Now let's add another ingredient sold by Jane, flour. Tap on Add Product button again. Then tap on Create Ingredient. Enter the name for our new ingredient, flour. Press Done. Then tap on flour. Here, let's enter the price of flour charged by Jane. Let's say $3 per 3 pounds. Now let's change the unit from pounds to cups. Pound is a unit of mass, while cups is a unit of volume. Tap pounds to bring up the screen, then tap on volume to bring up volumetric units. Select cup. Check the price, and then press Done to finish. Now that we have all of our prices entered, let's go to the Recipes tab. Tap on the Add button in the top right corner to add a new recipe. In this new view, we can name our recipe apple pie. Scroll down and tap Add Ingredient. Then tap Add Ingredient again. Here we can select our first ingredient, apples. Enter the amount of apples that we want to use in this recipe. Let's say 3 kilograms. You can see that Fillet has already calculated the recipe food cost for us next to the ingredient, and as well the total food cost for the entire recipe. Let's add our second ingredient now. Tap on the Add Ingredient button again. Tap Add Ingredient again, and in a new window, select flour. Scroll down, and then tap on the amount to enter the amount of flour that we want to use in this recipe. Let's say 1 cup. Now Fillet automatically calculated the total food cost for us, and as well the individual food cost for each ingredient. It also shows us the contributing percent that each individual ingredient contributes towards the total food cost of the recipe. If we change the amount for flour to 10 cups, we see that the contributing amount and the contributing percent total food cost changes automatically and is shown to us. Simple. If you have any questions about this tutorial or about Fillet, please send us an email at support@getfillet.com. We'll be happy to help you. See you next tutorial.